Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find these filters, Superseded and Supersede, and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Omi is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tricks. He's having some awesome filter. So I'm in her filter gallery, but when you will go to her profile, you will see her profile like this, the feed page. You have to tap on the smiley button. This is the effect gallery button. And if you can't see her effect gallery button, then you have to refresh her page by dragging the page down like this, and you should see her effect gallery. So check in her effect gallery, and this is the filter Supersede. Scroll down, and this is another filter Superseded. Okay, so to use this filter, you can just tap on the screen to change the effects. Same for the second one. There are two options to choose. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this Supersede and Superseded filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.